In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags and categories on your blog. Squarespace SEO. Tags and categories help readers find related content and give search engines clearer context about your posts. Categories are your big buckets, like topics or themes, while tags are the specific keywords that describe details inside a post. Let's set them up properly on your Squarespace blog. Start by opening your site in Squarespace and head to your blog. From the Pages panel, click into your blog, then open the blog overview so you can see your list of posts. Choose a post you want to optimize and open it. We'll edit the post's settings to add tags and categories. Inside the post, click Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Options tab. This is where Squarespace stores your post-level metadata. First, find the Tags field. Click into it, type a descriptive tag, and press Enter to add it. Repeat for a few more relevant tags. Aim for clear, specific words or short phrases you actually use in your content. Keep capitalization consistent. Avoid duplicates or near duplicates, and focus on 3 to 5 strong tags rather than a long list. This keeps your tag archive pages tidy and more useful to visitors. Now click back to return to Options and then open Categories. Here, type a broad topic that this post belongs to. If the category already exists, select it from the suggestions. If not, confirm the new category by clicking the suggestion that appears. You can add more than one, but try to stick to 1 or 2 main categories so your site structure stays clean. Think of categories as the top-level sections of your blog, like guides, news, or tutorials, while tags handle the finer details inside those sections. If you add something by mistake, select it and use the delete option to remove it. Removing a category or tag from the post won't delete the post itself. It simply clears that label so your organization remains accurate. Once you're happy with your selections, click back to exit the category picker. Finally, click Save. This applies your tags and categories to the post and updates your site's internal organization. Over time, consistent categories and focused tags will improve on-site navigation, help readers binge related content, and can contribute to better SEO signals by clarifying how your content is grouped. That's it. By choosing a post, opening settings, using options to add tags and categories, and saving your changes, you've set up a clear structure that serves both your audience and search engines.